ASP Kasore Consalanta omudumizi wa polisi ahabwa Shema district yatugira ngo entezi bazikwasire nyumwe abazibwo mushijo tamanyirwe mazina abire naziguza zona miliyoni 8 mu katare ka Kagango omuri Shema kuba muburize kina kiriya yeruka yabuzamisho
twineho enti 3 tuzirikavaringiro ku rugo mu katare ntubane kikomera twice a month so tuzirikavaringiro ku rugo mu kikomera konka up to now since Monday tukarebere the owner of the cow so twazirangisa twazito omu groups za community muri Shema na nahandi so ko kureba ngo obuzirwente otutukirire turebe kubanizawe ozitware
abebyo kwerinda muri Shema bajumerera obushuma bw'amatungo oburukweyongera
obushuma bwente ningo bw'amatungo it is not a good thing so tulion tukirwanisa now if we recover cows and it had someone identify them ni 20 shoberwa so in most cases toronente ninga twazinagisa bashuma we always call upon the owners to follow it up
abantu mugende mpakase omukifo cyo kwata ente y'omuntu mazima gipakisa akajora kajikuza ukajiba kandi ukiza kugisubura mu kagisubura laisi noba wakoresa roso mutungi no wamaramwa amana batungi bente
hona barisa bashabwo kongera obukume bw'amatungo gabo naboro umuntu kwetaba umuhuru eyo kurwanisa umuzogo
so the beauty would be kokurebo ina matungo ga once in a while get up and check call your neighbors call your neighbors and if you find something suspicious kukubugana ekintu kyona kyota chenga nkomuntu tera neighbor konkobugana abantu you don't have the phone number of your neighbor the cows sleep very far from home a cow of 4 million sleeps outside
obwa hati polisi kiriyo neronda mukama wente no kwiganya kuziba gasha kwa Mike atwakire